Hi there, NALyzer here, and this is another video on Android home screen customization. Today we will be taking a look at this awesome home screen setup that I am using on my Redmi Note 5. And if you want to make exact same look in your smartphone, then make sure to watch this video till the very end. To make this home screen setup, you will need to download only two apps. For launcher, I am using the Poco launcher from Xiaomi, and second is color widget. Once you get both apps installed in your phone, then follow these steps that I am showing in this video. It was really easy to make this setup, but still if you face any issue, then let me know in the comments. I will surely help you out. So that's it for today's video. If you like this setup, then make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe for more home screen setups like this one, and I'll see you in the next one.